Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, this is the last weekend for the flash drive sale. It will be ending on Monday at that price. It will go up on Monday. So make sure you guys take advantage of the sale now at this price. If you order today, you should have your tracking number by today or tomorrow. If not, send me an email. But yeah, mostly everybody should have it. I know everybody is used to having, stuff 2 days, super fast and everything. But yeah, Amazon spoiled y'all. But moving quickly as possible, we got y'all. There will not be no long delay for the flash drive. The book issue is a legal issue. That was the issue with the books, but the books are coming. They will be on their way. And I appreciate everybody's patience and support on that one. But flash drives are going out. We have them ready to go. We just moving quickly as possible with a lot of orders. But appreciate the patience. Make sure you guys take advantage. Also, tonight, 2023 will be out on Merkabah Academy only. That's it. Never Pay Again members. If you have Never Pay Again membership, it's there in the Never Pay Again member section tonight. Look for it. It will be out. That's it. As I said, 9 days. It's not going to be on Podia. It's not going to be for sale. This is it. You see it. You got 9 days to watch it. That's it. It's gone. A lot of you people not going to believe what's in it. You're not going to really want to accept it. It's some stuff I left out that I'm going to save for a later video. But yeah, I mean, make sure you guys watch 2021, 2022. It's on Merkabah Academy right now, not for YouTube section. Anybody who's registered can watch it. It's free. Just register, go there and watch it. But yeah, I recommend you guys definitely try to watch those 2 videos before you watch 2023, because, you guys want to be up to date, especially if you don't watch the news, keep up with that stuff. You want to be up to date on that. So it's a lot of information to get into with those videos. And just what's going on. It's real confusing about the war. What's going on with Russia and Ukraine. What's the holdup? What is going on? I mean, it's just, for those of you who are watching and paying attention, what's going on? A lot of people are confused about that. And there's a reason, as I broke down in 2023, to make it make sense, why you need to understand what's happening with the war and how it's being used for what's to come. As I talked about before, everything I said was going to happen has happened. Plain and simple. It's a lot more coming. But what I talked about in those videos, I told you guys what happened, and it happened. It's a lot more coming. This is nothing. So be prepared. Make sure you guys watch the video. We're going to get into some of those things in later videos. But yeah, 2023 it will be out tonight. Make sure you guys be ready to watch it. Make sure you've seen the first 2, 2022, 2021 first. But yeah, I appreciate the patience and support on that. As I said, it will only be out for 9 days. I may put it on a flash drive later on, because the flash drive is not online. I'm not sure if I'll do that or not. We'll see how things go. But I explained in the video why I did it this way. But yeah, 9 days and then it's off. And then, it's up to you guys what you do with it. You won't be able to download it from Merkabah Academy. As a matter of fact, you will be able to download it. If you guys want to download and watch it later, I'll allow that. Just don't upload it nowhere else outside of my site. You can't upload it on the site anyway. But just don't upload that video nowhere, period. Download it, that's it. They're going to be looking for, the algorithm will be looking for that content soon. And I'm probably the only person that's going to be talking about it the way it's put. So that's why it's like that. So yeah, make sure you guys watch it. Also, stock market final, that video will be coming up, as I talked about, in 2023. There's a delay on that. And the reason for that delay is because, you got to wait and see how things pan out. We understand why the market is doing what it's doing. The market is doing what it's doing because of what's happening with the global economy. And the global economy is doing what it's doing because of what's happening with the war. So when you begin to understand that, as I broke down in 2023, you will understand everything else. Why gases went up, why everything is happening the way that it is. This is all because of it. A lot of people don't understand how much Russia does. And I pointed this out in the video. Russia does a lot. Russia is responsible for a lot of things, which is why, Biden was questioned for doing the sanctions that he's done, because it doesn't make sense to do them against Russia when you know what's going to happen. I'm not talking about war or anything like that. It's economic problems. So now they're making Putin look like a freaking genius because how he's supposedly getting around these so-called sanctions. But I broke it down in the video so you guys can understand what's going on. It's WWE like a motherfucker. And it's so brilliant the way they making it out to be. And another thing, as I said, why are they so quick to give Putin so much praise for what he's doing? I mean, we're talking about American news media, news outlets. Oh, Putin's a genius. Smart move by Putin. I mean, look at this. I mean, they're telling you. They're telling you. So yeah, it's a lot we get into in this video. You got to understand what's going on with Russia, what's going on with a lot of different things, and why it's going to lead to what it's leading to. And basically what I've been telling you guys, the buildup. They preparing. It's a lot. But yeah, make sure you guys check those videos out. And just want to say thanks to everybody who supported. And it's a lot. It's a lot to get into. And it's a lot more that I couldn't get into the video that I will put out to explain some other things. But yeah, if you have the time, make sure you guys check out 2021 and 2022 and watch those videos. I know they're long, but the information is good to know. And also the things we couldn't get into with Aquarius and the feature of 9, the ancient powers that be in the feature of 9, will be in the next video that I put on Merkabah Academy, because I had to leave out a lot of that stuff because it's just so much to get into that I couldn't put into this video. But yeah, I didn't want that video to be too crazy long and multiple hours, but it's straight to the point, and understanding what's going to happen and what's going to take place. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Make sure you guys look for 2023 tonight on Merkabah Academy. Again, it's only going to be on Merkabah Academy. I will not put it on Podia for sale. Only place you can watch it is Merkabah Academy Never Pay Again members section. That is it. If you are a Never Pay Again member, you can see it. If not, make sure you get the membership while it's this cheap, because Monday it won't be, and the video will be down in 9 days. So make sure you guys, get that, watch it, and see it. It's definitely something you want to watch. Thanks for watching.